This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend to practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. Environmental conservation is the practice of us humans saving the environment from the loss of species and the destruction of the ecosystem, primarily due to pollution and human activities. Conservation is vital in saving and helping both animals and trees, as we are all dependent on one another for survival. Trees convert carbon dioxide produced by factories into oxygen, which helps us breathe and respire. The loss of species, which makes them go extinct, would mean they are forever lost and cannot be seen by curious eyes or studied by the scientific minds. Additionally, such loss or destruction of ecosystems would disrupt the food web, messing up the whole ecosystem in general. There is much to do when it comes to rebuilding and protecting what is left of natural resources and the biodiversity within our ecosystems. Environmental conservation is an umbrella term that defines anything we do to protect our planet and conserve its natural resources so that every living thing can have an improved quality of life. Environmental conservation and preservation are two terms that are often used interchangeably, although they are quite different. Conservation refers responsible management of the environment and its resources for present and future use. Preservation, on the other hand, is a much stricter approach, where the environment, lands, and natural resources are put away, not to be consumed by humans, but are instead maintained in their form. If the land is to be used by humans, it should only be utilized for its natural beauty and inspiration. Conservation works in two ways. It is meant to protect nature by protecting vital resources, and it is also a way of living that works against the irresponsible practices of businesses and large corporations. Green living takes away the power from those who have no interest in using their influence to promote the greater good of our world and choose to add to the problem instead. The more money we keep out of the pockets of big businesses who do not care for the environment, the more we can do for the planet. Environmental conservation comes in many forms and reminds us to be mindful of daily choices. No matter how busy your life may be, it remains fairly easy to make small yet necessary changes for the good of the earth. If we all took little steps, we would make our way towards major progress. This can be achieved by paying more attention to what we buy and not using resources unnecessarily. We must also remember to recycle and dispose of chemicals properly so that the ground and bodies of water are not poisoned. Consider every part of the environment, including the trees, the oceans and the soil. The trees that help us to breathe also isolate greenhouse gases that would cause the earth to heat up more quickly. They hold soil in place of naturally filtered water that has been absorbed into the ground. Home to countless types of marine life and plants, it gives us more than half of the Earth's oxygen supply and stores large amounts of carbon dioxide to help keep the Earth cool. Finally, the soil stands as its own supporter of life by acting as a supplier of food and a filter of water. Soil that is of food quality produces crops that feed humans and animals. Plants and flowers sprout up from the ground through the soil, helping to regulate our climate. Most of the nature's water is not made for human consumption, but soil also stores groundwater and filters it, making it safe for drinking. By embracing and promoting alternative energy sources, if every household incorporated the concepts of sustainable living by using less and conserving more, the positive impact would be immeasurable. Solar energy and wind power are two of the renewable energy options that we could use more often. Yet, a large amount of energy we exhaust comes from the burning of non-renewable fossil fuels to power cars, the electricity in homes, and much more. Deforestation continues to be a major environmental issue. Many forests are losing countless acres of valuable trees, and because these trees are destroyed, the greenhouse gases they were storing go back into the atmosphere and contribute to global warming. Planting trees is a way to give back because it aids in the restoration of homes for wildlife, food sources, and medicinal properties that only the trees provide. As trees grow, they protect soil from harsh weather conditions and protect us from excess carbon dioxide, enabling us to live longer and more comfortably. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.